winners in Classic Division 1. David Baggett and Patricia Hughes, front and center, please. David and Patricia, 5th place in Cha-Cha. Congratulations. Gary Olive and Melody Cordell. Gary and Melody, 5th in Polka, 5th in West Coast Swing, and 4th in Waltz. Congratulations. Fifth place overall champion will be receiving $100 in cash. 5th place overall to Jesse Foster and Lisa Proctor. Jesse and Lisa, 5th in two-step, 5th in East Coast Swing, 3rd in Cha-Cha, 3rd in Waltz. Congratulations. 4th place overall will also be picking up $100 in cash. 4th place overall champions Jack Armstrong and Stacy Lynn. Jack and Stacy, 5th in Waltz, 4th in Cha-Cha, 4th in two-step, 4th in East Coast, 4th in West Coast, and 3rd in Polka. Congratulations. 3rd place overall champion, getting a couple of hats for the Firecracker and $100 in cash. 3rd place overall champion, Andy and Nikki Blakemore. Andy and Nikki, 3rd in two-step, 3rd in West Coast, 2nd in East Coast, and 1st in Polka. Congratulations. Second place overall in Classic Division 1 will be receiving $200 cash and their t-shirts from the Firecracker. 2nd place overall champion, Mike Wagner and Brandy Northrup. Mike and Brandy, 3rd in East Coast Swing, 2nd in Polka, 2nd in Cha-Cha, 2nd in Waltz, 2nd in West Coast Swing, and 1st in two-step. Congratulations. 1st place overall, gonna pick up a sport bag, a boot bag, a $50 gift certificate from Evening Star, and $300 cash. Your 1st place overall champions, Chris Barber and Kendra Howell. Chris and Kendra were 4th in Polka, 2nd in two-step, 1st in Cha-Cha, 1st in Waltz, 1st in East Coast Swing, and 1st in West Coast Swing. Congratulations to all of our winners in Classic Division 1. What a show you put on for us this afternoon. Thanks so much. I've just been told this is Chris and Kendra's 1st Division 1 comp. Hot dog.